Rolling out the red carpet. Understanding special treatment in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have heard, the red carpet treatment. This expression is packed with cultural history and is widely used in English to describe a very special type of welcome or treatment. Stick around to learn not just what it means, but also where it comes from and how you can use it in your conversations. When we talk about giving someone the red carpet treatment, we're referring to treating them with extraordinary respect, honor, or kindness. This isn't just being nice. It's about rolling out the metaphorical red carpet, which you might associate with VIPs, celebrities, or dignitaries at formal events. It signifies going above and beyond the usual hospitality to make someone feel exceptionally valued and welcome. The concept of the red carpet has been around for centuries, with early references dating back to ancient Greece. However, its modern association with luxury and VIP treatment started to solidify in the 20th century, especially with the advent of Hollywood's glamorous movie premieres. The red carpet was literally rolled out for stars, creating a visual symbol of exceptional and distinguished treatment. This imagery has since permeated various cultures around the world, turning the red carpet treatment into a metaphor for any kind of special treatment or hospitality. You might wonder, how can I use this phrase in my daily life? Red carpet treatment can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Here are a few examples. At a hotel, they gave us the red carpet treatment, with a room upgrade and complimentary champagne. In personal relationships, whenever I visit my grandmother, she gives me the red carpet treatment with my favorite foods. In professional settings, our company rolled out the red carpet treatment for the visiting executives, including a private tour and dinner. This phrase beautifully conveys the idea of making someone feel exceptionally special and honored, regardless of the setting. The red carpet treatment is more than just a phrase. It's a cultural phenomenon that encapsulates the essence of hospitality and respect. Whether you're speaking English as a second language or you're a native speaker looking to deepen your understanding of English expressions, we hope this explanation helps you appreciate and use the phrase more confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed learning about this unique and colorful expression. See you in our next video.